Tamilarasi, ஐய தமிழில் ஒரு துளி.
Looks like one forgot today. Oh, hi kids. I was just looking for one. I think you forgot about story time. Oh! You almost scared me. Well, today we're going to read chapter 8. I almost thought you forgot.
I was sleeping.
Why were you sleeping?
Because I thought that it was night.
Well, that's very
The curtains were off and my lights were off. I thought it was the night already.
Well, let's not talk about that and jump right into the chapter. Let's see.
Everybody, have you seen our last 7 videos?
If you have. If you haven't, please go check them out now.
Before watching the 8th video.
Okay, boy. What letter is this?
K?
Yes, it's the letter K. One. Can you remember one thing? What was our last video? The C sound, remember?
Yes!
Can you tell me the C sound?
K.
Can you tell me the K sound?
K?
It's confusing, right?
Is it K or is it K?
Don't worry. For C sound, you had to do it a little light. And for the K, you had to do it a little hard.
K. K.
Yeah. K.
I get it. K. 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 K.
Yeah. Can you tell it the difference now?
K. K. K.
You guys get the difference?
K.
Okay, one. Let's start. But Boom, this picture looks so well. What can I say? Kitey. Can you tell me about it?
Kite!
You're kinda right.
I can see a big lizard.
I don't think that's a lizard.
Now what is it?
I have no idea. Maybe you'll find out in the story.
I see a kangaroo, a little duck.
No, that's a kiwi.
Kiwi?
It's not the eating kind. It's a bird kind.
Kiwi. Kiwi. I'm a kiwi.
That's so funny.
I'm a blue kiwi.
Okay, you can stop. What's this? What's this? No, what's this? The orange colored thing.
I'm a blue kangaroo.
What's it? Can you tell me? It's a... Do you like kangaroos, Boom? Do you like kangaroos?
I've never seen one in action.
Oh, but do you love them?
I love them 125%.
Okay, I have no idea. Okay, Boom. Should we start the story? But wait.
Yeah!
Boom, there's one more thing you missed. There's a lot of it in this picture. It's right here.
Kites!
Yes, so many kites.
I can see a genie lamp and the key so much. Look! I only have this. Okay, Boo, can you sell it for us?
And that.
Ha-ha!
Okay. So good. Should we start the story?
Yes!
Kiwi and the kangaroo fly kites.
Kiwi! I'm a kite flying kiwi. Yay! I'm
Okay, let's start. Kiwi and a kangaroo went to buy kites. They bought two kites, one with a key and another one with a kettle image. So this is not a genie bottle one, but a kettle. Kettle. This is a key.
Have you guys seen a kettle?
Of course, when you know it's a kettle, right?
We heat in it. I know it's a kettle, but have you seen a real kettle?
We have. We all sit in the pictures.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Okay.
And everybody sees this, but I'm just asking. Have you seen a key before? Everybody's seen a key before. I know that.
Okay. What did I do here?
Flying a kite. Fly, kite. Why are you not flying? Is there no wing?
Yeah, they're flying a kite. And who's flying the kite?
Before it's so loud, have you flying a kite? Did it fly well, or did it just fall somewhere but you don't know?
Yeah, that kind of happened a lot for us.
Second answer for us.
Okay, boy. So, who's flying these kites?
Kiwi and kangaroo. Kiwi. I like to eat kiwis, even though I'm a kiwi. That's the kind of kiwi I like to eat it. Oh, real kiwi treat.
Okay, let's read the rest of the story. The kiwi and the kangaroo ran to the playground.
Playing in the playground.
Do you like the playground, Bulan? But we
I
can't go to it now because it's a corona.
COVID-19 virus in English.
They're both English.
Whatever.
Okay. They flew their kites, saying, when you say that, a bus of air should come out. Yeah, that's the sound. So they're flying the kites, saying, in the playground. So they said, and flew their kites in the playground. Oh no, good. This is very energetic picture. What is happening here? They're both running. What happened? What happened?
This happened to us, remember? A million times.
Yeah, we should.
And fly it, and the wind's too strong.
It flies away.
Kite!
Yeah, but can you talk about this picture, not our picture, this picture?
Everybody should show this one. They're all running to get their kites back from the wind.
Is that very sad? You know, you can always make another kite and fly it.
Do you know how hard that was for us?
Yeah, sure.
Every time we make it, the wind blows fast. And a kite!
Yeah.
So this pencil is the kite, and this is the wind.
Okay, well, let's read. Their kites snapped. The kiwi and the kangaroo ran behind their kites.
I think I know what this snap.
What does snap mean, Boone? Snap. What does that mean? What does that mean?
So, I'm holding a kite. So it's like a balloon. You have a string of balloon, okay?
Yeah, a string of a balloon. Tied a balloon to it, okay.
And when a string is not tight, it snaps off.
Okay.
So I'm gonna show you what I mean with these two pencils. This is the balloon, and this is the string. You see it? Yeah. And when sometimes happens, that's a snap.
Yeah, super explanation, Gwen.
So their string snapped off of their kites. Haha.
Okay, Gwen. So I'm going to give a recap of all those words we saw.
Yes.
Starting with the letter K. Okay, I'll say the words. Kiwi, kangaroo, kite, key, kettle. These are all the words. Do you remember everything, Gwen?
Yeah.
No spooky. Okay, do you remember everything?
Yeah.
I'm gonna close the book. It
is question time!
How do you know that's a question time, Gwen?
You always do that at question time.
Okay, then let's start. Question number 1. Why did they go to the shop why did they go to the shops? And what did they buy?
Here's a hint, kids. It's light. It flies in the air, and you play with it with a string.
You tell me. How do you know the answer?
It is a bird.
A bird? Is it a bird, Tommy?
No, it's a kite.
Say it out loud.
No, it's a kite.
I heard you. It was a kite. You did a good job. Okay, question number 2. Where did they play with their kites?
Here's our hint.
Huh?
Here's our hint.
No hits. You had to tell the answer directly.
You play in it. You have fun in it.
Wait, what's that?
And you like it. What is it?
You had to tell me. I'm not going to tell you.
Playground.
I heard you. A playground. You're correct.
Yay!
Good. What happened after the wind strongly blew?
Here's a hint. It was light. It had a string, and it was made.
What? You just said that. No, Boona. The question. Answer the question by hearing it. What happened?
A kite.
What happened after they was flying their kites and then one time something happened? That word. What is that word?
It flied away.
Or in the book it said,
It snapped.
I heard you. That was perfect, Gwen.
It snapped.
Super.
I'm snapping.
Okay, stop, please. That was super explanation, Gwen. And kids who all answer their questions correct, congratulations and bye.
Bye.
Why do you eat so much time to eat a banana?
Well, I like it.
Whatever. What? Do you remember the K story?
Yes, they had cars that flew away. They had to chase it. They buy kites.
Did you like that story? Why, dude? Why
so sad?
Oh, that's okay.
I
All stories are happy, except the storybook ones. Sometimes.
That's very sad.
Don't worry. Look at do some happy stories later.
Yay!
You can stop. Okay, stop. So what? Do you remember? We had active. Do you remember the K story?
Yes. Yes, you just said it.
Okay. And now we're gonna do its activities.
What activity?
The K sound activities.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, I'm just gonna flip to that page.
Flippy, loopy, sticky. Where's that elephant book?
Ah, there.
The K activities!
Okay.
Yeah!
Okay, then. First, you have to color this K with rainbow colors with these crayons we have here. But before that, you have to say all these pictures.
Fine.
Don't you like seeing pictures?
Very boring.
It's very boring.
No, it's very fun.
Kids are saying it's very boring. Is it very boring to take pictures?
No, it's very boring.
Is it very boring?
Yes.
Whatever. You say the pictures when.
Kangaroo, kite, koala.
Set them on happy.
Kangaroo, koala, kite, key.
What is that? I'll just say it. Kiwi. Next?
Kitty?
No, the fruit kiwi boy. Okay, what's this? What is that? A knife. Boy, please. That's just a picture knife. Okay, now you have to color it. Don't go ahead and thinking these crayons are just knives, so they're not. So go ahead and start coloring. Sit down.
Knife.
Didn't even do anything to you. You're just so funny. Okay. Wow. That looks so beautiful, Blue. Whoa. You finished both the capital K and the lowercase k. Very fast.
Thank you.
Now we're going to do the next activity. Writing the capital K and the lowercase k. You can take a pencil. Here. Start writing but K, K.
You always tell me that. How could I forget it?
I'm saying it so you won't forget. And I'm not saying it just for him. You also do have to do writing practice like that. So remember the sound, the letter, and its shape. 3 things that you're going to remember if you just say K, K, C, K, A, F, A. It'll be really helpful.
Whatever.
Well then,
Nothing.
just write. By saying the letter K.
Can you stop it already?
Okay.
It's driving me crazy.
Just write.
If you say I hear that, another time say. Woo.
Okay, just right. You were really funny today.
Woo.
Just right. Hey, you have to see the letter K and its sound. And then It's
K. 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 Where did that go? I'll go and search for her. Where did my sister go? Where is she? Ah! There's my sister!
huh? Where is Bowen? Bowen?
Kids, can you help me find her?
Kids, can you help me find him?
He went to find you.
Oh, I was just getting a sip of water.
Where is my sister?
Bowen! Bowen! Can you help me call them together?
Okay.
Bowen! Bowen! Come! Bowen! We need you to do this activity! The kids are waiting! Come on, please! Bowen! What am I gonna do now? Bowen! Please, can you say it out loud one more time? Bowen! Bowen! It's no worse. How am I gonna do it?
What are you doing? I thought you went somewhere.
I just wanted to get to a sip of water. Where were you going?
To find you?
Oh, right. Okay, let's continue the activity. We're really silly today.
Yeah!
Yes, right. Only up and okay.
K. 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 K.
Okay, we'll do it.
K. 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 K.
Bowen, snap out of it. Get it? Snap out of it. Now, right, nobody laughing. Okay, just right.
Okay.
Super, Bowen. You finished all the capital letters. Now finish the lowercase letters, Bowen. Bowen, right. You're not a robot to make your commands, please. Do your work. Say the letter and its sound. Bowen, look up in there. Bowen, say this letter and its sound. Say the letter and its sound. Well, at least you're done.
Yeah!
The capital K and the lowercase. Okay, the last activity of the day. Can you tell me all these pictures first?
Koala, kite, key, knife.
Knife. Just one.
Zucchini.
Next. It's a kiwi, not a zucchini, okay?
Zucchini, whatever. A blender. Or is it a kettle?
Kettle.
Kettle. Cub.
It's a kitten.
Kitten. King. Clothing maker.
No. Knit.
Knit.
No, knit.
Knit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now
Knit
you gotta say K, koala. K, kite. K, key. Okay? Go.
Okay.
And write it all down.
Okay.
Then,
I do not like knife.
just write it.
Yay! Bad knife.
It's knife.
Bad knife.
I don't know why it's bad. It helps you cut kiwis. It helps you cut pineapples. It helps you cut
Whatever.
whatever. You just write. Okay, Blaine, tell me the picture and the sound.
Kettle. Kettle. Kitten. Kitten. Knit.
Okay, Blaine. Bye. ஹாய் கிட்ஸ், எனக்கும் என் தம்பிக்கு டிராயிங், கலரிங், கிராஃப்ட்னா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். உங்களுக்கும் பிடிக்குமா? அப்போ உங்களோட டிராயிங், கலரிங், கிராஃப்ட் ஒர்க் எல்லாம் எங்களோட வெப்சைட்ல அப்லோட் பண்ணுங்க. தமிழரசி ஃபேமிலி கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் போடுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. That's it.